All right, guys, we're headed toward another part of the country, picking up a content creator. It's a metro downtown area. I'm being aware. I'm driving a larger vehicle. There's a Tesla, so I'm gonna take my time. You gotta really be aware of what's going on. Getting over. This bigger vehicle has larger blind spots, so I'm trying to give you a perspective. And it's definitely harder to drive because you have so much in front of you and so much going on. So I'm just trying to take my time, be patient, follow the road. And in these areas, you got a lot of pedestrians, so it's a lot more going on. You got your double yellow to the left, which means you can't change lanes, but we have the white lines, which means we can. So I just wanted to show you that. And I'm being very, very patient. And I'm lifting my foot actually off the gas, and the vehicle will hold about 10,000 pounds, so I'm squeezing my brake really easy. And I want to see the rear of the tires. I do have a trailer too, but I don't haul that much, probably about 6,000 pounds. So I'm just scanning the intersection, orientating myself, making sure I'm doing a good job. And then I'm looking, checking the cars right behind me. So I'm checking, keeping a good following distance. Because in a bigger vehicle, I see that person running up there with those green shoes on. So I'm just keeping space, checking mirrors. You see me doing that. That car's coming with those blue lights.
In a quarter mile, use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Ambets Memorial Parkway, East Michigan Avenue.
So this is giving me a heads up. This is a dead end up here, so I have to go left or right, blinkers on. And by this being over 16 feet long, I gotta be mindful, and I'm squeezing the brake using the ball on my foot.
Onto Ambets Memorial Parkway, East Michigan Avenue.
I don't know what they're doing. So I'm just taking my time. Looks like they're in a hurry. They have to go left because these 2 lanes are for going left. The lane to the right is for going right. So you want to be aware of what's going on. Take your time. And I'm trying to be patient. There's a lot of road noise that you're going to hear, so I do apologize for that. And the orientation of this vehicle. Oh, I just want to tell you, this windshield is cracked. I pointed that out, and I posted a video. So I'm going up, looking, checking, trying to go in really easy. And I'm going really slow. I'm taking my time.
Continue on Ambets Memorial Parkway for 3/4 of a mile.
And sometimes the GPS helps you, but it's also a distraction. So I'm really trying to keep my space. And I'm looking ahead, really watching traffic. Just trying to go nice and slow. And now we're going on to a one-way. So they cut over. And they cut over again, no blinker. I'm a bigger vehicle, I do not want to do that. So I'm just looking, got some warning signs. This means a lot for all of us, but because I'm a larger cargo van, I gotta look left and right. So you see me looking, checking traffic, going over nice and easy. If there's an echo, I do apologize. Just trying to be patient. See, they don't know where they're going. That's why they got honked at. So be aware and take your time. And there's a lot going on here, so I'm keeping my space and use that as a learning experience. Okay, so I'm just keeping my space, and that's what I would recommend. Ooh, I'm stuck in the middle of the intersection. Ooh, so someone's going over here, some type of show, content creators event. So I'm just taking my time, being patient. And that's the advice that I can tell you. Be patient. If you're new to an area, we're going to be picking up this content creator. I'll be moving them to another part of the country, so we have to get cameras, we have to get lights, we have to get set props. So one content creator helps another. It's always good things. So it's 44 degrees out. It's April 23rd, 2023. So I'm just looking around. Excuse me. I'm just taking my time, being